Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to find large files with WizTree step by step. If your computer is running low on storage and you want to discover which files are taking up the most space, WizTree makes the job fast and incredibly easy. So let's get started. First, open WizTree on your Windows computer. If prompted, allow the application to run as an administrator for the most accurate results. Once it opens, select the drive you want to analyze from the drop-down menu at the top of the window. Next, click the Scan button and wait for WizTree to finish analyzing the drive. The scan usually completes within just a few seconds, even if your drive contains a large number of files. After the scan is complete, click the File View tab to display all the files found on the selected drive. Then, sort the list by the size column in descending order. This immediately places the largest files at the top, making them easy to identify. You can also use the search or filter options to narrow the results by file type, name, or size if you're looking for something specific. Another helpful feature is the tree map at the bottom of the window, where each colored block represents a file. Larger blocks indicate larger files, and clicking one will highlight it in the file list. Before deleting anything, review the file carefully to make sure it's no longer needed. If you're unsure, consider moving it to another drive or creating a backup instead of deleting it permanently. And that's it. You now know how to find large files with WizTree and free up valuable storage space on your Windows computer. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.